A Republican is petitioning tonight to start over on the nomination process to choose who will replace Senator Bill Carrico. Controversy began when Carrico gave a friend, Delegate Todd Perhne, a heads up about his retirement. But Carrico kept it secret publicly until after the filing deadline. Marion leader Ken Heath found out last minute and filed with only 2 minutes to spare. News 5's Caleb Perhne is now sitting down with the man who wants a do-over.
Bill was not required by law to tell anyone, but by moral integrity and ethics, there should have been a sooner notification than after the deadline.
Republican Bradley Powers now calling out Senator Bill Carrico. Powers filed an appeal with the Republican Party asking to start over. The nominee is set to be picked at a mass meeting in Gate City later this month, but Powers says it's at a time and place hard for many to attend. He wants a more central location or to change the process to a primary election, reopening the opportunity for candidates to file.
This option with the appeal is a way of making these mistakes right and allowing all these optics to go away.
But District Committee Chair Paul Grinstead says having it in Gate City has never been a problem before.
It's where it's been for many years since Wampler, and they do that because Kilgore and that district share the cost.
Grinstead says he sent Powers' letter to the state Republican Party.
And they said there's no, that it can't be done. There's no reason for it to be done.
Now Powers says he's gathering signatures, about 50 so far, to petition the state party directly for a primary.
You need to make sure that all citizens in our party actually have that chance to voice their opinions.
Caleb Perhne, News 5 WCYB.
We reached out to both Perhne and Heath for comment. Perhne says decisions regarding the nominating process are solely within the jurisdiction of the district committee. Heath said he's, quote, here to run his campaign and win under whatever system he needs to. The mass meeting is scheduled for April 25th at 5:30 at the Scott County Career and Technical Center. Tennessee